Oh my god.
Hard.
That is like sugar heaven.
I put some honey on my roti. Honestly, that is the way to do it.
Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business.
Right, so about a year ago, I left a comment on a Mark Wiens video about Turkish food. I said Turkish food is the best in the world. And a load of Indian people, I got a lot of backlash. They said Indian food is much better. Now I'm in India, I'm going to try Indian food. I'm going to start with the breakfast. I'm going to start now. Right, we're going to start our food tour off the right way. We get breakfast included in our hotels. So I've got the chana masala and the pie rice. It's like traditional sort of Indian breakfast. Also some other bits and pieces, along with 2 bits of the roti bread. Breakfast always comes with boiled eggs as well, so eggs are for breakfast. It's pretty normal.
I also got a bowl of cereals and some yogurt, our favourite fruit papaya, hot chocolate, and this juice is well nice. It feels like pineapple fresh juice.
Smooth and it's not rich at all. It's like, it's really good.
So it doesn't taste like a curry?
Not really. It's not spicy. Nothing. It's just really, really light. And the rice, it's got like loads of different things. It's got like bits of corn canal, some peas, all different things. And it's really nice, really soft, really nice. Not spicy at all. I mean, they don't really eat spicy things for breakfast.
I don't know, I think that rice has got a little bit of a kick.
So for your hot drinks at breakfast, there's a machine, and they've even got a chai tea button, which is their tea, like milky tea that has like a spicy, not spicy, a spice flavour. Yes, sweet, try it. I'm getting used to it.
It's got like a cinnamon taste, doesn't it? Yeah, that rice is well good. They've like cooked it in oil and it's like proper like, it's like juicy. It's so good.
Reminds me of donut. We just had a knock at the door. Toilet paper. Yes. And more towels. I think we've got 6 altogether now.
We've never had this. We've never had more than 1 towel on a whole stay.
We normally share 1 towel a lot of the time.
We've got a million bits of laundry. We've got to go to the laundrettes because we haven't been for a while. And that's our first port call. And then we'll continue with the food tour.
Then tomorrow evening.
Yeah? How much?
900.
No, okay. Okay, tomorrow, yeah?
Tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening, okay. Thank you. First up on the street food tour, we got a culture bhaji. It's like a naan bread, but it's made with white flour, not wheat flour. It's also hot. He made it in front of us. He literally fried it in front of us. Lovely. It comes with masala sauce. It's like a paneer and pea masala sauce. It's not too spicy. It's just got a little kick to it. It's got like an onion chutney with tomatoes and it's got like coconut sauce on as well. I'm gonna try the kachri first. Bit of masala on it.
That's it, a big bite. Let's watch you chew for half an hour, come on.
Well, that's got a kick, that. That's the most beautiful bread though. It's so warm and it's really like soft and it's squidgy and it's got a little bit of juice to it. I like it. This dish was 50 rupees. In English money is 50p. Yeah, if you ate this every day, you could live off £3.50 a week.
We've got a ritual to Chandni Chowk. The first ritual tried to charge us 500 rupees. On this one for 200. So it shows you how much they're trying to charge you. And Chandni Chowk is meant to be where all the best street food and I think there's markets in that area. But let's go try loads of food. the sweets. You've got like, kind of a sweet chili sauce there, and then you get your normal like spicy herby one that you normally get. So it's kind of like an egg omelette, like really thin, and then it's got like Bombay spicy potatoes inside, and then you got your, obviously you get paneer and everything out here, and your tomato look on the edge. So let's try a bit that hasn't got any tomato in it because I don't like tomato. So I'm going to try the sweet sauce first. It's like a sweet and sour sauce. It goes really nice with the potatoes inside. You wouldn't actually think sweet would go nice with it. I like it. And then the green sauce goes with it as well, so you can kind of make it sweet or savoury. I prefer this. I forgot to mention, we're nearly at it now, but it was 50 rupees, which is 50p. I think we got 2 there though. I'm pretty certain that was 2 portions.
Cheap anyway.
At the moment, this is my favourite street food. Number 1.
Thank you. One. Okay, I've got the kheer. It's like a traditional Indian dessert. It's like a roast pudding sort of. And they put like pistachios and other sort of peanuts and stuff on it. I've got to try it because Reanne doesn't like roast pudding, so good old spoonful.
Oh! Oh, Ben, it's on your finger. Oh, no! Look it all. That's disgusting.
It's really, really sweet. It's sort of like roast pudding if you put like 10 sugars in it. It's alright.
Kheer is normally made hot or cold, and a lot of Indians make it in home, like in a hot pot, and cook it for a while. It was only 60 rupees, so 60p. So I get the honour of trying the jalebi. I've been seeing them everywhere in India, and I've been wanting to try them for ages, so today's the day. So how they cook it is like a batter, and they spur it into the deep fat fryer, and it comes out like this. It's very,
Oh, it's weird. I was expecting to be
oh my god,
hard.
that is like sugar heaven. It's literally like sugar inside, liquid sugar, with like a deep fried crispy outside. It's probably the sweetest thing I've ever eaten. It's kind of like donut with liquid sugar inside. Unreal. 50 rupees, 50p.
Most things are 50 rupees.
Yeah, aren't they?
Yeah.
But look how big it is. Oh, should we get inside to eat? We're eating it now.
So next we've got some paneer pakoras, but one, I'm not sure what they're called, but this one's got a chili. It's like a chili with paneer in a batter. Really nice, not hot at all. You also got like they give this pesto sort of chili sauce and some diced onions as well. And we also got another paneer pakora. But this one's a bit more paneer in there. Look. That's really salty, that one. The batter's really salty. 45 rupees, which is 45p. Absolute bargain.
These food courts, there's like some like in little huts down below on the ground, and like
Yeah,
little
one above the other.
yeah, it was well weird. Found this vendor on the way, but we're not sure on the name because it's all in Hindi. He broke up like a kind of like a biscuit looking thing, but it's like it's a pastry. Crumbled it at the bottom, and then put like this sauce on top. It's kind of like a curry sauce. With potatoes and chickpeas, and then they topped it off with the green spicy sauce you get everywhere. The biscuity pastry thing broke up. It tastes exactly like a pie top, like a crispy pie top, and this was 35 rupees. 35p! I think this street food's not even going to cost us more than £5.
It's super cheap.
Oh, it's crazy, and there's so much along this street. If you want to come and try some street food, I highly recommend this area. So full, so we're heading back. We're going to go and find a rickshaw and probably pass out in bed. Look at Ben bartering. It's only a bottle of water. Right, we thought we'd do you a little update. So today is the 5th of February and our visa in India runs out
the 8th of February. So we had a flight booked for the 7th of February to fly out to Thailand. But, as a lot of you probably know, it is not the easiest to get into Thailand at the moment.
Oh, everywhere's just crap.
So you have to apply for a thing called a Thailand pass. You apply to do the test and go, which is a PCR test and a Shire Plus hotel on day 1. And then on day 5, you've got to do another Shire hotel and PCR test. And you've got to have all this booked and transfer from your airport to book your Thailand pass. So we did all that. Booked it. The test and go didn't start until the 1st of February and we flied the 7th of February, so it takes 3 to 7 days. Already touch and go. So we applied to that, and then today on the 5th of February I've checked my emails. Our flight is cancelled. So we didn't even need to do any of that because our flight's cancelled. Look, it's done now. We've decided we're not going to Thailand.
At the moment.
At the moment, yeah, but it's scrapped. So we've messaged our hotels. Hopefully we get all refunds for the PCR tests and the hotels. So now at the moment we're stuck in India with a visa that's going to run out in 3 days. Ben, what's our plan now?
Yeah. But the plan is, what we're going to do, we're going to jump on a train. We're going to get the train to the furthest north we can. And then we're going to get a coach over the border into Nepal.
It's the closest country and the cheapest way to get there.
Yeah. Nepal said you can get a visa on entry. That's right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Visa on entry and just need a proof of vaccine. So
yeah, and there's a form I think I need to fill out online, like a passenger location form.
Yeah, so that shouldn't be too bad. And then we'll get a flight to hopefully Cambodia or
Sri Lanka.
whatever's affordable
cheapest.
and entrance is easy.
So at the moment, we don't know whether we need to leave tomorrow, because tomorrow's the 6th, because this is like a 26-hour trip. So it gives us the 6th and the 7th to get out of India, because we're not sure if the 8th counts as whether we can be in here. So we're a bit...
I don't know, I think the 8th, if your visa runs out on the 8th,
you think you can be in?
you've got the 8th and then you...
Yeah,
know
but
if
we've
you've got
booked
the
this hotel until the 7th, because we'll plan on, like, our flight was like 7 in the morning. So, we're just gonna go to the coffee shop for a few hours and try and suss all this out.
Yeah, maybe we'll go to the bar as well.
The bar, yeah, it's gonna get drunk tonight.
Yeah.
But that's an update on our life. We don't know where we're going or what we're doing. We've got 2 days to plan it.
We think we might get a flight now because it's just, we're cutting it too far in regards to our visa. We've got like 2 days left, a 27-hour coach. It's only a 1 hour, 45-minute flight, so we might just get a flight. We'll just have breakfast, and we've just had our PCR test done. Someone come to our door. Literally, he just put it in, touched the side, and come out. It didn't even hardly put it in.
And wiped our tongue.
It was the most false PCR test ever.
And how much did it cost?
Yeah, 1,500 rupees each, which is £15 in English money. So yeah, pretty reasonable, cheapest one we've had for a PCR test. And I've got all sorts of stuff here, I don't know what ours. And anyway, for Indian viewers, what's that? It looks sweet, a little bit like porridge.
I think it's pasta.
Maybe. But Indian people, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Right. Right.
Stop it!
We've got to go to laundrettes we haven't been for a while.
Why are you shouting?
Right, we've got to go to the laundry. I've got bum pesto. I've got bum gravy, so it's probably not going to be. Let's go.
The paneer can be served hot or cold.
It's called kheer.
Kheer, that's what it says.
It's a paneer. So next we've got like there's paneer.
Start that again, because that beeping.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.